going on, everybody? So today is a pretty exciting day. I'm sitting here in the living room. I keep looking out the window just hoping that I'll see my truck pull up, because today is the day that I'm finally getting my truck wrapped. The thumbnail, you probably already saw what it looks like, but I haven't seen it yet, so I'm just unpatiently waiting. I keep glancing out the door. Hopefully soon it'll be here. But yeah, this is kind of the next step in my marketing strategy, I guess. I've got the sign on my trailer. My Facebook page is running good. I ran some Google ads. They did okay. We got a lot of website clicks from that, but we didn't get a lot of business from that. We got a little bit, but not like, we only spent $50 on Google ads. And the only reason I really did it is because we had a free $100 Google ad thing if I ran $50 worth. So we got like $150 worth of ads. And I mean, it drove some traffic to the website and stuff like that. But it was really, I don't think that I targeted my audience as well as I should have, because I'm really new to Google ads. That was my first time to ever run Google ads. So anyways, today is the next step in my marketing advertising thing. So y'all will get to see soon the new wrap truck, and hopefully it matches the trailer really well. So the next clip that y'all see will probably be my truck pulling into the driveway and me freaking out like a little girl because I'm so excited. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in a little bit. Well guys, here it is. I didn't even take a picture of the hood. I forgot about the hood. The new wrap is on. So yeah guys, I might come back here in a little bit and go over the wrap a little bit more, but we're working on some headlights right now. So let me know what y'all think, man. I'm super freaking excited about this. It looks amazing. Rolling billboard. Alright guys, so it's a little darker now. We were working on some headlights. Then my dad came by to check it out. My father-in-law came by to check it out. And so now I'm just here in the dark, about to show y'all. I know you got a glimpse of it earlier, but and I'll give y'all a better look tomorrow too, because we have a concrete job tomorrow that we're gonna be working on. So I'll be hooking up to the trailer tomorrow, and I'll take some pictures, and then I'll video, of course, and stuff like that, so y'all can see that. But yeah, man, I know it's super dark out here, and I don't know if y'all can even see. Let me see if I can brighten it up. There we go. But yeah, man, Gary Barnes at First Class Graphics hooked it up, man. I am super stoked with how this design, everything turned out. Man, it's amazing, guys. I love it. This is gonna be the wrap that's on all of our vehicles eventually. We start adding fleet, we start adding trucks to the fleet, they're all gonna be wrapped like this. I love this design. So yeah guys, I'm gonna post this up for y'all to look at it, check it out, and of course there'll be more videos where y'all can kind of see it more in depth and stuff like that. But I'm very happy with it, so thank y'all for watching. Let me know what you think about the wrap. If you like it, if there's something you'd change, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. So let me show y'all the hood real quick, because I don't think I showed y'all the hood. Pretty slick, man. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.